Hi friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So in the previous cheat codes, we have learned to create a multiplication and grouping. So in this cheat codes, this is for creating a item numbering. Okay, so we know how to create this multiplication. So you will li into 3 and click on this enter, we'll get this cheat codes, right? So now we will learn item numbering. Let me share my VS Code. So create new file. Now we can save the file with, okay, so demo.html. Okay, so we need to create a skeleton here. Now we will learn item numbering. Okay, so item numbering in the sense like ul li o. Okay, click on this enter. So we know how to create this grouping and we know how to create this multiplication. So how item numbering in the sense inside of here, I need to create one item here. Okay, item 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So how to achieve this one is in cheat codes. Let me see. So for creating this one, okay, I need to create an UL tag, li, okay, dot, okay. So we need to place an numbers here. Suppose, so here I need to place here box, okay. So for this, I can create here box. After that, a dollar symbol and multiplied by. So how many you need? Like 6 I need here and click on this enter. So we'll place here box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5 and box 6. Okay. Suppose, so here also I need to place some text here. So how to place this one? See, for this, let me create here 6 different headers. Okay, so how to create this one? So for creating this one, we have a heading tags, right? H1 to H6. So first we can take here H or dollar. It indicates that H1 has foot, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So after that, okay, so we need a class here. Okay, so here you can write class. Okay, so class equal to, we can write item. Okay, so here we can mention dollar. So after that, okay, we can place some text here. So in order to place the text, we can write a block here. Okay, so which text we need to place here? This is a heading. We can write here heading. Okay, after that give some space and type dollar and how many headings you want. Like you can take multiplication by 6 and click on this enter, so that we can make here item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this we can create item numbering. Okay, and if you want to create item number in a decreasing order, okay, in decreasing order, like in reverse order, okay, if you want to create in reverse order, we can use this one, item number reverse order. Okay, so how to place this reverse order? So for reverse order, simple. We can use here ul list item li. Okay, so I can take here on a item. Okay, and I'll make double dash. Okay, into multiplied. Okay, 5. Okay, or 6. Okay, click on this enter. So item will get here. Okay, order wise, right? Now we can make this reverse order. How we can make the reverse order in the sense? See, I can use this Control Z. Okay, I just explain forward direction. Now we will explain here the backward direction. So we'll write here li item dollar, right? And simple, we can write here. See, I just removing this. I'm just entering here at the rate symbol. Okay, so our rule minus. Okay, and star we can write here as 6 and click on this enter. See,